Hey guys, Candy here. Today I'm going to be making this banana bread. I'm making it from the box mix. Sorry if you don't like it. Sorry for those who want like an actual baking video. I don't know how to make a recipe properly. Last time I made banana bread, I made it using Rosanna Pansino's banana bread recipe. But my mom, she really wanted some banana bread, and she just got some back injections. She's fine. It's just a monthly thing that she has to get, but she wanted some banana bread, so I thought I'd make it for her, make her feel a little bit better about having all that done. If you hear any noise in the background, Boo is on the couch over there, and he's watching Barney, and Belle is in her room watching Nights of the Evening Star. So if you hear any audio, and then we have the puppies over here. We got Belle, got Bubbles, Pebbles, and Lucy just chewing on a stick over here. So if you hear any noise, that's that. Anyways, today I'm gonna make some banana bread. I figured I'd try and do a baking video because this is just a test run for the actual thing that I plan on making later on this week. Spoiler alert. Anyways, let's get started. First thing you need to do is wash hands, because that's what every great chef does. Wash their hands. I'm going to fall in the back of the box as best I can. I already have my, I forgot to butter it, but I can butter it afterwards. I already got my oven preset and my pan over there. Okay, what do I need to do? Okay, I can do that. First step you need to do is open this box up. Like I said, I was originally going to do, well, I don't think I did say this yet. I needed scissors. I'm just unprepared. Let me go grab those. And yes, I have a SpongeBob mask. Some kid at work, he got so excited. He said, "Ooh, Minions, Minions! I love Minions!" And I'm like, actually, it's SpongeBob. Oh, I like SpongeBob too, and it was really cute. But yeah, so we got the first thing we got to do is open this up. Can I help you? Can I help you? I see you, puppy. Bubbles is right over there. I'll show them off too after the video, because I can't do it right now because I just cleaned my hands. If you see paint on my hands, that's because I was painting earlier. Anyways, pour this into the bowl. Okay, that's all of it. Okay. Also, this adding some blueberries to the mix because my mom had kind of hinted like, "Hey, we have blueberries in the fridge. You want to do something with those?" So, blueberry banana bread. Anyways, I'm gonna take this bowl and I'm gonna take 2 bananas because that's what it says on the box. These are overly ripe, perfect for banana bread. And we're gonna put it into bowl. 1. Hi, Boo. Better not walk into frame. Oh. He's just looking at me like, what the heck are you doing? Boo is my brother, by the way. He's not a dog. And he's right. Hi. Anyways, we're gonna mash these bananas. Oh, careful. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. Thank you. Almost knocked it. Close the door. I said close the door, not turn off the lights. Okay. Probably gonna have to edit that out. I might actually leave that in because that was kind of funny. Anyway, mashing the bananas. Gotta mash these to mix them in. That just threw me off. Hey, stay away from there. We have a baby gate so that the dogs don't get out, and they're trying to push open. I see you there. Don't even think about it. I'm gonna have to do a ton of editing, aren't I? Oh well. Anyways, the bananas look pretty mashed now. What did it say to do next? go. I just said to add this along with the water. And okay, I should have probably said what the box says. It says you need 2 bananas, 1 large egg, and a 1/3 cup of water. So I got the 2 bananas here, and I'm adding my blueberries as well. I got these measuring cups. Belle got them for me for my birthday. They're the Rosanna Pansino. And the good thing about these measuring cups is, see if they can, I don't know if, let me come over, see if I can get this on camera. They're engraved, so like the last measuring cups that I had were not engraved. So when I used them, the writing got worn off, so you couldn't even tell what measurements they were anymore. But these ones are engraved, so it's not going to wear off. It's just going to stay there forever, which I'm very grateful for, because I do actually do a lot of baking, especially around Christmas. Around Christmas I like to make these coconut macaroons. They're really good, and maybe during Christmas time, because that's the only time of year I make them, I can show you how to make them. What is he doing up there? Okay, I'm gonna put those aside. What was I doing? I had an egg. I always like to grab like a small bowl. I know it makes a lot more mess and a lot more dishes, but I'm used to it. We got a pretty big dishwasher, and I like to clean them out beforehand. But I just like to anyways, what I was trying to say is I like to take the eggs, and my cousin showed me how to do this. I don't think it's necessary that you have to do this. I just like, me and her like to be extra cautious. It's good egg. That's basically all we do, is just we crack it into a bowl and inspect it. I'm not going to add that to the mix yet. I want to get all this stuff together first. I'm going to put this away. And a 1/3 cup of water is also what we need. So I'm going to go grab that real fast. Oops, it's spilling everywhere. Spilling it everywhere. Spilling it everywhere. Okay, and now that we got all our Belle's phone's going off. Now that we got all our ingredients together, I'm going to add all of them to the mix. So we got our water, our bananas, and our egg. You can be on camera later, Bubbles. Okay. And then I'm going to add I'm going to add in these blueberries. And mix. I know you're supposed to add the blueberries after you mix it. I just now realized I just did this wrong. Oh well. It still works. It works. We're going to mix it all together until we get it all mixed up. I'm not using a whisk because I can't find a clean one. I think it probably would work better with a whisk than the spatula, but I don't have a whisk. So we're improvising. Like I said, this is just a test run to see if I can actually pull this off before I make whatever I'm going to make later on. And I just realized I forgot to wash the blueberries. Well, the heat of the oven should kill all the germs, right? I think it's pretty good. All that's left is just, all the bumpy parts left are just the blueberries and the bananas. I think that's good. I'm going to grab my tray over here. And I just realized I don't have any butter. That's okay because I got pan. And move that aside. I'm going to lightly spray. That might have been too much. Oh boy. Oh well. Inside of that. Hi. Oh, okay. Belle's here. She's just gonna do some stuff, so she's in the back. If you hear noise in the background now, that's her.
So.
Stop distracting me. You're just as bad as the puppies. Now they're all looking at her. Now that I said, I'll give you a tour of the puppies. You can see the puppies after we get all this in there. Alright. I think the pan might be a little, ooh, there's some overflow. Let me get it. I think I got into my napkin here. Wipe that. Boo's upstairs, by the way. I wasn't telling you guys, I was telling her. Telling Belle. Clean that up. Now that I got all this together, I'm going to now grab the phone, bring it over to the oven. The oven basically, the preheat function on it, it's already has, like I said, it's already at 350, and then, oops, that's not right. 41 minutes. It said 40 to 50 minutes. And I'll put it in there, and then grab my little my glove. My grandma got me that. Well, she technically got it for the whole house, and I'm the only one who uses it because I'm a scaredy cat. Plop that in, and see you when the time's done. So hopefully, by the time the dishes are clean and that is done, like my little tripod, I didn't really have much in the way of an actual tripod. So that's Pebbles over there, and Belle. Hi, Belle. There's two Belles because one is my sister and one is that little lady right there. That's Belle. Belle named her character after her. And there's Lucy, and there's Belle, so I'm going to turn this off. Here's a puppy tour. I said I would show you the puppies at the end, so here they are. This little girl here, this is Bubbles. She's a Japanese kitten, and she's adorable. Oh, and here's Pebbles, her little sister. Hi, Pebbles. Hi, Pebbly Poo. Oh, and then this is Lucy. Oh, Lucy's a little shy. And then here's Belle. You can see her cataract right there. She's 10 years old. She's got gray hair and cataracts, but we still love her. We still love you. And like I said, Belle's character is actually named after, and here's Peanut. This is Belle's therapy cat, who also has very bad anxiety and is just wishing that he wasn't here now. Hi, Belle. As for the other animals that have been in my videos, Mandy, she was technically not our dog. She was our friend's dog. We were just babysitting her. And Ginger, who's the cat in the end of the sketchbook animation, that's the stick they were chewing on. They must have found that outside or something. We weren't allowed to keep her because my dad is allergic to cats. Hi there. Hi there, Lucy. And she was a long hair, so we gave her to our friend. Oh no. But the reason we still have Peanut, though, is like I said, he's a therapy animal. She's laughing at me because I'm calling him that. Because we have like this inside joke where it's like we can't tell who is the therapy animal and who's, yes, we see your cat. Yes, Belle, we see the cat. And there's other Belle. There's Belle and Cartoon Belle. I'm not showing you her face because she doesn't want to be on camera. Yeah, she already took her makeup off, so she doesn't want to. And then this one, like, right here, she likes to make... Listen. Oh, you're not doing it now that I got the camera on, huh? She likes to make weird noises. I'll probably put a video... I'll put the video that Belle took of me holding her. And that's all her dogs, so... I'm gonna turn this off, and when they come... You okay? When I come back, the banana bread should be done.
What are you doing?
Taking a video. The oven actually does not work, that's why I had to use that one over there. So if you're thinking I'm weird to use the little tiny oven over there instead of this big one, it has not worked in a while, so.
Try to do.
And stop. And here, get off of me. Here's the
Are you sniffing your butt?
yes. Here's the finished banana bread. I kind of burnt the top just a little bit, but it should be fine. Waiting for it to cool off, and then I'm gonna have some. Anyways, bye.